So one more look at a Pacific. You just don't see this stuff every day. Even though these aren't real bush finds, it's like fishing out of a trout farm, but they're too easy to find at the auction yard here. But this camera's at my eye level. You can just get an idea of these things. For those that aren't BC West Coasters and around this stuff, they're just huge. Like twice the size of a normal truck. Everything is big. The frame is just huge on them. Dual exhaust. Big tires, planetaries, big 91,000 pound, probably big Clark rear ends. There's the turntable. Underneath.